What's going on, guys? Vince Imel, 21 years old. It's a beautiful day here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and this is my Bulldog bike check. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start off with the Bulldog bike's frame. We got the Illmatic 21-inch top tube, 13.6 rear. It's a great frame, holds up good, steady. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the front end. We got the Shadow Voltus bars, sitting at 9-inch rise right now, 28 width, I believe. Cut them down a little bit, like them to stand tall, so I ain't gotta arch my back. Shadow Conspiracy bar ends. Right beside those, we got the Colt Vans grips, real soft after a little while, they feel good. And also, I got the Shadow Conspiracy top load stem, also another reason to ride a little high. Alright, right below the stem, we got the Shadow Conspiracy headset. Moving down to the Sunday morning forks, we got the Sunday morning 2.1. It's Sunday afternoon. And strapped down to that fork, we got the Rant hub, laced to the stolen roulette. Wrapped around that stolen roulette is the Chase Hawk Odyssey tire. Lightweight, makes moves. Yeah! Alright, and for the pegs, we got the Animal Butchers on the front, and in the back, we got the Shadow Conspiracy SODs. Plastics. Slide that shit all day. Never played. Alright, into the seat, we got the Fiend fat pivotal seat. Strapped down to the Animal pivotal, of course. Alright, and for the pedals, we got the Premium Slims metal. Sticks to my feet, great. Also, we got the Shadow Noctis cranks, 3-piece. Lightweight. Holds up steady. Had them for a few years now. They're great. Also, we have the Shadow Conspiracy 25-tooth sprocket linked to the Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. Got a couple, we probably got about 3 links in there that are probably not Shadow. They're probably something else. But, great chain. Alright, and in the rear we have the Shadow Conspiracy Rant hub, laced up with some white spokes to the stolen roulette, wrapped around with the Tom White tire. Animal. Can't complain. Alright, and that was my 2015 Bulldog Bikes bike check. I want to give a shout out to Stephen Walker for throwing the bike together, making it solid. I want to give a shout out to Daniel Wood for putting this film together for me. And look forward to the next upcoming video. Thank you.